Yeah, the title of the book is an interesting one. I don't think everybody loved that suggestion when I first proposed it. It kind of has a bit of obscurity to it. It's nondescript, unlikely. But I like it for a number of reasons. Firstly, most importantly, I think it is the best single word that captures my story, because I feel like everything I've shared in this book is unlikely. It's a very, I'm an unlikely success. I'm an unlikely entrepreneur. I'm more surprised than anybody else that this is my story to tell at this stage in my life, because it's never what I asked for, it's never what I dreamed about, and therefore I didn't plan for it. And all along the journey, I think I've had lots of reasons to fail, lots of opportunities to give up and run away, and on some occasions tried to. And so to get to a fulfilling end of that chapter of my life, it was unlikely. It was actually very unlikely. If you were a betting man, you would not have put money on me at the beginning. The title, because it creates a curiosity, it creates a bit of mystery, and I think it provokes in all of us a question. What is it that we're here to do? How confident are we that we're going to achieve it? What's our purpose? What's our significance? And is our confidence in us, or is our trust in something much bigger than us? And for me, I am very unlikely, but I serve a God who I believe is incredibly faithful, fulfills every promise. This is his signature move. He will never fall short. He can never be blindsided. He can never be ambushed. He's not surprised. He is in total control. I believe he's always been there from the beginning to the end. Nothing unlikely about my God, even if there's lots of unlikeliness about who I am. But as I become a little more like him, as he teaches me to be faithful and obedient in the things he's leading me into, then my unlikely also becomes a little more likely.